My question is, if a family member or a loved one has deviated from Islam or Ahmadiyyat, how can we as young Khadim work to bring them back?
So you try hard. If they are ready to listen to you, then preach them. Try to make them understand what are the true teachings, why they are deviating from Islamic teachings. And if they have questions, then take them to the Murabbi Sahib. He will try to satisfy them. And if they do not want to understand and they say, no, I don't want to listen to you and don't want to talk to you on this issue, just pray for them. Right? Allah Ta'ala save them.
Inshallah. If you could, Brother Huzur, if you could pray for my spiritual connection with Allah as well as my academic success.
Allah Ta'ala.
Inshallah.
So never leave 5 daily prayers. And if possible, offer some nafal.
Inshallah.
Daily. And do more istighfar and durood. As I asked already, that you should recite durood and istighfar and Rabbi kulli shayin khadimuka for your personal betterment and for the Jamaat as well.